go. Go to the back. Go ahead, Alex. Jack, in the middle. Nice, Jack.
What's up, handsome? You need a serious haircut, dude. Serious. Good try, brother. You tried to do the payload and stuff. You see that? You got a payload on your hand.
Super! Yeah, stay with her.
Try to set somebody.
Come on, Joe.
Don't come back, guys.
Come on, Nate. Come on, Bruce. Too much paper. You want to
Tie up.
Good. Yeah, cool. Brendan, back post! Brendan, back post!
Good deal, bro.
Brendan! Back!
Brendan! Great!
Jack, move up a little.
You know, I told you, I had to go straight to ten. Because I couldn't do them. I was so great. They were good all the way up until. What, roll?
Come on, Daddy.
Come on, push it. Get it, push it.
Here, come on, goal. I need a real hit here. Joe, middle of the goal. Get him, Buddha. Get her, Buddha. Come on, Buddha. Stay with her.
Go, Tyler, go. One second. Go.
Nina, over there. Nina.
Oh, she made a good kick.
Brendan. Come on, Sophie, you got this.
Come on, Sophie, I'm hungry.
Come on, Sophie. Carlos wants a slice of pizza. Come on, Pandas, let's get it back.
Josh.
Well, because they scored. It's good. They scored, baby.
Come on, go.
Good.
Come on, somebody got it. Tyler, stay with it.
Joe! Are you okay?
Go ahead. Come on, guys. Go, Tyler.
Benjamin, play hard.
Run it. Come on, come on.
Get up there.
Nice.
Cooper, push it up.
Go to the back post, Charlie. Get in the box.
Nina. Nina.
Charlie, get in there.
Joe, what are you doing?
Benjamin.
Joe, go to goal. Stop, move up more. Stop, move up more to the middle. Stop, move up more to the middle.
Josh, run with it.
Look at me. Hey! Joey, get up. Get up. Charles, why are you standing next to that? Why?
Tyler, don't go too Tyler, stick with it. Ashley, stay with it.
Pass it, dude.
Come on, Joe, pass it. Send
Get in the goal, Charlie.
That'll work, Joe.
Pass it.
Coach, don't drop. Stop dropping. Nobody there. Who you covering? Charlie. Charlie. That way. Sophia. Sophia.
Vincent.
Back.
Benny. Vincent.
Go.
Benjamin, all right, Ben.
Vincent.
Charlie, over there.
Vincent.
Charlie. Corner kick, right? Go, take it.
Charlie, back post.
Come get up there. Goal kick, let that happen. Turn around. Charlie, up there.
Vincent.
Just get behind you.
Stay with it. Yeah.
There it is. Come on, Holder. No, you gotta get it. You can't stand there. Tom, stop dropping. Sophia, come out of the box. Cooper, go with him. Cooper, will you wait for what?
Somebody help him out!
Hold it, box.
All right, get ready.
Come on. Cooper, hold them out. Somebody get one of the people. Stop. Nobody here. Up. Move up to the middle square. More. Stop. More. Right there, dog.
Charlie, back post.
Joshua, what's up?
All right, Joey. Joe, get to the box.
Holy shit, did that really work?
Hey, Coach.
Don't stop.
Turn around.
Charlie, get in the box! Get in there, Charlie!
Send the ball.
It's a handball, bro.
Got it. Got it.
Good job, Coop.
China, you have to run your gun. Don't work it. Don't work it. You have to work it.
Benjamin, it's
Benjamin, hurry up.
Let your ball down.
Come on, Josh.
Good, good, good. Stay with him, stay with him.
Benjamin, that's you. Turn it.
Then go right.
Stay on it, Ben. Ben, get in the middle. Get in there. Cooper, stay up. Sophia.
You don't have to ask the ref here.
You know how to
Yeah, but he wouldn't know.
It doesn't matter. That's what they do. Come on, Vincent, go.
Good, good.
Cooper, get up there. Jack, Alex, fill it in. No, you gotta take the shot next time. Come on, dude. Go hold it. You have to go to goal and take the shot.
Attack the ball.
Come on, guys, you gotta move up. Cooper, stop dropping.
Send it. Guys, take it out. Check it out. Pass it.
Send it, send it.
Benjamin, win it.
Come on, Buddha. Ina, back post. Ina, back post.
Tyler, watch.
Joe, go to post. Joe, go to goal. Joe, go to goal. He'll get it to you.
Did they hit him?
Was that a goal?
Smack him in the face.
Cooper, push.
Oh, come on.
Go get him. Come on. Hit it, Joe. It's a handball. Get up there, kid. Gotta leave the box. lead.
Head and take it out.
Short kick.
Head and take it.
It's got to leave the box. You can't do that. You can't keep doing this. They're all dead.